rising in the backyard garden. You guys, I've been keeping a secret. You may have already clued in if you're watching my shorts, but I have a new clothing line. Be rising in nature, be rising in the garden. Lots of different merch, be rising hats, all different colors, all different sizes, and 100% cotton. And I'll tell you why 100% cotton is so important to me.
Also, stay tuned because I'll be talking about upcoming sales and how part of the proceeds will be donated to a really great cause that I can't wait to share with you. One of the questions I do get asked is why I choose 100% cotton. So why I choose 100% cotton clothing instead of polyester, for me, it really comes down to health. Cotton is a natural fiber that's much gentler on the skin, breathable, and less likely to cause irritation or trap heat. Polyester, on the other hand, is synthetic and tends to shed tiny plastic fibers called microplastics. Every time polyester clothing is washed or worn, these microplastics break off and can end up not only in our water and food systems, but also in our bodies. Research suggests that microplastics may disrupt hormones, stress the liver, and contribute to inflammation, which is why they're being linked to endocrine health issues. So choosing natural fabrics like cotton is one way we can reduce our exposure and take better care of both our skin and overall wellness. So if you check out berising.com and you click on shop, you'll see there's many different colors, options, varieties. There's some bees on the front, some bees on the back. There's 100% cotton shirts as well as tote bags and mugs, and Be Rising in the Garden, Be Rising in Nature. So this is why I chose a supplier in the United States, and that's because it's, again, 100% cotton clothing.
Now, I have had some challenges on which supplier to use, whether to go through a Canadian supplier or US. And with the tariffs and duty, shipping, I've had to balance it all out. And as well as go with my core value on somebody that supplies 100% cotton and quality shirts. So I did end up going with a supplier in the United States, and that's because they have a variety of different options and they sell quality 100% cotton hoodies and t-shirts, and it was very limited in Canada. So also a lot of my viewers are from the United States. So for my Canadians, I tried to lower the price as much as I could, and there's going to be free shipping on selected items. And what I'm also going to do is 50% of every sale is going to go towards an animal sanctuary shelter. So that's what I'm going to be doing. 50% of all sales will be donated to an animal sanctuary shelter, just like where I got my cat Lucky. She was from a rescue, and I adopted her as they found her barely surviving outside, and she has frostbitten ears because she survived the coldest winters here. So that is my promise to you, because I love animals, and as humans, I feel like we have to do more to protect animals, and so this is my way of giving back. So I hope you enjoy the clothing as much as I do. It's nice and warm for these cold winters, and also will help support the animals in need.
Just a quick note, because each piece is custom printed when you order, unfortunately, I can't offer any refunds or exchanges at this time. So I really appreciate your understanding, and I encourage you to check out the size charting on the website before placing your order, just so you can get the best fit. And I promise you'll be receiving a quality piece made with care. And if you love supporting sustainable, mindful fashion, I think you'll really enjoy this line.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I very do much appreciate each and every one of you. As always, be getting in some whole, healthy, fresh food, be getting in some nature, and be getting in some sunshine and animals. When you do that, we'll all be rising like Lucky.